What if I told you that the company that puts TVs in half of the hotel rooms here in Vegas just made your eyeballs their top priority? I'm sure that got your attention now, didn't it? I'm here at CES 2026 and TCL has just dropped 5 new products that honestly have no business being this good together. Now we're talking about a TV that has 10,000 nits of brightness, and that comes after just releasing a 5,000 nit brightness TV in the QM9K last year. We also have a phone that's going to give you a week of reading on one charge, and the first 5G hotspot that can wirelessly charge your other devices. Let's get into TCL's new products at CES 2026. All right, let's start with the star of the show. That's going to be the TCL X11L series. And I need you to understand something with this TV. This TV hits 10,000 peak nits of brightness. That is a ton of brightness. Last year we had TCL and Hisense launch TVs with 5,000 nits of brightness, and those are already pretty incredible. And now we're looking at double that peak brightness. Now you're probably not going to ever see it hit 10,000 nits, just like we did it on the QM9K. We didn't see it hit 5,000. It was generally in the 2,000 to 3,000 nits. This is peak brightness, so in perfect conditions, it'll hit 10,000. But that is still very insanely bright. For context, most premium TVs max out at about 2,000 to 3,000 nits. So this thing is essentially a controlled explosion of light in your living room. But here's what actually makes it so much more impressive. It's not just bright for the sake of being bright. TCL built what they're calling the Halo control system. You know that annoying glow you sometimes see around bright objects on mini LED TVs? They basically eliminated that with something called LD20000 precise dimming. Now, as you might expect from that name, that means that we have up to 20,000 local dimming zones that control the light. And the color story here is also pretty insane. TCL is claiming 100% BT.2020 coverage with their super QLED technology. That's the entire color space that HDR content is mastered in. Most TVs hit maybe 70 to 80% of that. So that is very incredible, and it's not something we see every day. Now TCL is going to sell this in 75, 85, and 98 inches, so it's not going to be cheap. We don't have pricing just yet, but we should get that fairly soon. We do have a panel that refreshes at 144 Hz native, and it also has Game Accelerator 288 for competitive gamers, 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, Dolby Vision IQ, IMAX Enhanced, DTS:X, and of course it runs Google TV with Gemini AI built in. Oh, and audio is tuned by Bang Olufsen as well. This is pretty much the ultimate TV that we've seen so far here at CES. Now speaking of Bang & Olufsen, the next product is the TCL A65K Soundbar. TCL partnered with Bang & Olufsen for the soundbar as well, and this thing is designed to pair perfectly with those flagship TVs that TCL sells. Now the first thing that you'll notice is that it is incredibly thin. We're talking about 2 inches thin, but somehow they crammed a 3.1.2 channel system in here, which means you're getting dedicated up-firing speakers for Dolby Atmos height effects. 460 watts total power with a wireless 6.5 inch subwoofer. It supports both Dolby Atmos and DTS:X pass-through, connects via HDMI eARC, and also has AI sonic adaptation feature that calibrates the sound to your room automatically. There's also 8 EQ presets, including a dedicated sports mode, which if you're buying a 98-inch TV for the Super Bowl, you're probably going to want. And yes, wall mount kit and HDMI cable is included in the box. At this price point, that is pretty impressive. Now moving on to mobile, TCL does have the new NXTPAPER 70 Pro. Real stereo screen is way too much, and TCL has really gone the extra mile the last few years with its NXTPAPER technology to really ease the strain on our eyes when we're looking at these screens, like our phones, laptops, TVs, anything else that we might use on a regular basis. And last year, TCL debuted the NXTPAPER Key. So with one press, you can cycle through 3 different modes. That's full color for regular use of your phone, color paper mode for a softer look, and even max ink mode, which basically turns this into an e-reader and really conserves battery life quite a bit. In max ink mode, which is full monochrome, they're claiming 7 days of reading and 26 days of standby. On a smartphone, and it includes AI-powered reading tools, audiobook generation, and even an AI podcast feature that summarizes your books. The display tech itself is TUV and SGS certified. They're hitting the industry's lowest specular reflection rate blue light reduced to 3.41%, and it can dim all the way down to 1 nit for bedtime scrolling. There's also a T-Pen stylus for note-taking with pressure sensitivity. As if that wasn't enough, TCL's also included a 50 megapixel main camera with OIS, 32 megapixel selfie camera, and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300. Now that does come with up to 512 gigs of storage, 5200 mAh battery, which is the same as the Pixel 10 Pro XL, also larger than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It also has 33 watt fast charging and IP68. That's going to start at about 339 euros, and that's equivalent to about $350 US. We're not sure if that's going to launch in the US just yet. That might come further down the road. And TCL also has a new connectivity duo. So we have the LINKZONE MW517, which is legitimately a first of its kind product, which might sound weird because this is a 5G mobile hotspot. How can this be a first of its kind? We've had 5G mobile hotspots for almost a decade now. But this is the first 5G mobile hotspot with Wi-Fi 7, full millimeter wave, and sub-6 5G support. So that means you're going to get speeds up to 4 gigabytes per second, of course, depending on the network, and you can connect up to 64 devices simultaneously. But here's the wild part. It has wireless charging. Not to charge the hotspot, but for the hotspot to charge your other devices. It's basically a 5000 mAh power bank that's also a 5G router, and it'll give you about 12 hours of continuous use. There is a 2.4-inch touchscreen to help manage everything, plus a gigabit Ethernet port if you need that rock-solid wired connection. This is for people who work on the go and are tired of tethering to their phones. And for home, the LINKHUB WR5360 is their Wi-Fi 7 mesh router. This is a dual band 3.6 gig router that supports up to 512 simultaneous connections. Which sounds crazy until you count every smart bulb, thermostat, doorbell, everything else that's smart in your home these days. So that's what TCL is showing off here at CES 2026. Now there's actually going to be more because there are different divisions of TCL, just like there is for Samsung and LG and a lot of these other conglomerates out there. So we're going to see some more from TCL later this week. But as far as mobile and home entertainment goes, that's what they have to offer this year in Las Vegas. Now make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and we'll see you next time.